5.1
OK, so now I'm going to show you the next stage of the CD manufacturing process. You've already seen how we make a master version of the CD, one from which all copies are made. You'll remember that these master versions are covered with very tiny holes and raised areas called pits and lands that store the digital information on the disc. Of course, those pits and lands are far too small for us to see, but they're there and they can be copied. So the first thing that happens is that the small pieces of plastic, or pellets, you see here, go into this heater to be melted at temperatures of around 300 degrees centigrade. They're then pressed into discs. They already contain all their digital information, but a reflective layer needs to be added so that a CD player can read them. Next, the CDs go into this machine, which we will call the metallizer. As the name suggests, it's where a very thin, reflective layer of metal is added on top of the plastic, usually made from aluminium alloys. After that, we cover the whole disc, top and bottom, in a thin layer of lacquer, which is basically a strong material to protect the disc and the information it contains. When the lacquer has dried, the last thing to add is the label on the top, which is usually painted directly onto the lacquer. It's the most important layer if you want to know whose music you're listening to. It also helps people remember which way up the disc is. OK, so if you'll follow me now, I'll take you to